Hey guys, wanna know how to text someone on OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, OkCupid has a unique system. You can't just simply text anyone. So here's how it works. You need to make sure that you can finally message each other. Now, in order to do that, on the bottom right here you can see the navigation bar. And right under you can also see the messages icon right here. Just simply click on it. Now just simply tap on the person that you had matched with and that you want to message. Just simply click on them and then type in any message that you like and then hit send. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you have successfully texted someone in OkCupid. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.